I am so grateful to be able to come on here tonight and do a video. To come on here tonight and do a DIY video, because I know there's so many times I've said I was going to do a DIY, and yeah, so I wanted to do a DIY video, and I wanted to do something that pertains to the summer, so I decided I wanted to do a DIY mosquito repellent. So yeah, and I decided to make this top tonight. I made it really quickly. I saw this YouTube video and I was like and yeah, I just thought it was interesting to just use a scarf and a bracelet, and I went So this video is about a DIY mosquito repellent, and like I said before, I found this recipe online, and yeah, and let's get into it. And I don't really have much issues with mosquitoes as far as them biting me too much, but of course they're there. Different type of bugs, even if you're going on a trip or anything like that, you know, the more essential oils you use, the better. And yeah, so I just thought this would really be beneficial for people if you are going to places where there are bugs, or you just get bitten a lot. Go over the ingredients that I chose. And there are different recipes online. I'm definitely gonna put this on my website. First thing that I am using is witch hazel. I'm putting some witch hazel. I'm using a bottle, an 8-ounce bottle. I always recommend a glass bottle, but I didn't have a glass 8-ounce bottle to use. So spray bottle, so I hope you guys forgive me. Use an 8-ounce bottle. I'm using 2 tablespoons of witch hazel, and I'm using 2 tablespoons of almond oil, and you can get this at Whole Foods, online. It's very common. And I mean, anything that we use, I recommend it be from your garden, from your community, from your local health store, and that it's organic. Yeah, but if not, then just the next best thing, of course. And the essential oils that I chose to use, and I'll go over other things with that I'm not using, that are not here, but I chose to use cedarwood. And this is Texas cedarwood. And I chose to use eucalyptus and lavender and rosemary and lemongrass and lemon. And I know that recipes that I saw, catnip extract is really beneficial to put inside of it, but I did not have that on hand. But I will be ordering it to just have. So that is really a significant repellent, natural repellent. And if you don't have all of these essential oils, that's fine. You can just do maybe the catnip extract with lavender, or you could just do lavender with lemon and eucalyptus and peppermint, you know, and you know, base it with the oil and the witch hazel. The witch hazel, you know, the witch hazel. So yeah. And so I didn't want to make this video too long, so I already put everything in here, and it smells very strong. And so I have the 2 tablespoons of the witch hazel and 2 tablespoons of the almond oil. And I decided to do about, you can do about 30 to 50 drops of the essential oils you have. And I chose, since I have 6 different essential oils, I chose to do about 7 drops of each. So what is that, 42 drops? So yeah, I decided to do 7 drops of each. And yeah, so now I'm going to put it into the bottle. And so you just put it into the bottle like that. And yeah, and that's that. And actually, I'm sorry, this is a 12-ounce bottle. So you could use, and yeah. And of course, you can, again, experiment and, you know, play around. Like I said, I'm going to put the recipe on my website so you'll have access to a recipe. And, you know, there's tons of different variations, and I will make sure I'll give some tips like I just did now. You can just, you know, put this into something portable. This is portable, but something even more portable, smaller. And this will definitely, and you just, you know, almond oil is very, you know, you don't need a lot to use almond oil on the skin. And you just take, it's very strong, and you just spray a little bit, you know, and the mosquitoes should definitely repel and go that way and that way and that way. So I hope that this DIY video was beneficial to you in some type of way, and I am always grateful to be of service to humanity and share my DIYs, and there will definitely be more to come. And yeah, so I definitely miss you guys, and I can't wait and look forward to doing more videos, most definitely. And I'm definitely excited about that. And until next time, peace, divines.